A beautiful sunset. Spring is in the air. Okay, he doesn't want to let me past. Good morning, everyone. Today I was going to spend the day cutting all this stuff out. As much bamboo and whatever this stuff is out before it starts growing again, because it just takes over the yard. I was going to do that until my part came for the RV, but plans have changed. Yeah, I got my electrical gloves. Got an emergency call. About a half hour away. Hey. What are you doing to me? So I have to go down and rack a breaker at a big felt factory. Unfortunately, I just took my medicine. So I hope they have a bathroom close to where I'm at. And when I get back, we'll see if that part's here. I'll throw that on. If I get this done quick enough, I can still get some of this stuff cut out. I'll be back. It's currently 72 degrees and sunny here in Pittsburgh on March 4th, 2024. Can't ask for much better than that. This job I'm going to now, this guy obviously, he sounds like he has no clue what's really going on or what he has there. He tried to send me a picture, but to me it looked like a single phase 110 220 panel with really old breakers that I don't have. So I might not even need the gloves for this one. Well, I'm driving Tot, the trusty old tractor today. This thing runs great. Best $900 purchase. Well, it's up there with the best $900 purchases. It isn't powerful at all. It isn't pretty. It isn't clean. And it's not quiet. But Tuck gets me around where I need to go. And I'm hoping this road's open. I haven't seen a road closed sign. Last time I came right through here and the road was closed. Oh, good. You'll see old signs and stuff on the barn here on the right. On the left there's some concrete statues. On the right there's some more. Something's going on here. They must be working on a bridge. There's the company I'm going to. That's their truck. So I just gotta find it here in the industrial park. And I already have to use the restroom. Oh boy. Looking for 3rd Street. Oh, there's 3rd Avenue. That's probably what it is. IFS. Independent film, or independent felt systems, I believe is what it is. I passed it a while ago.
Chuck, big one. He knows about that stuff. You think about it, that's my fourth one.
This is a mess. I'm gonna have to change this whole panel out. This is an old Penn Electric from Irwin. But the lights are working, so I'm good for right now. That was brutal. I mean, not brutal, but that was a non-typical scenario where he has a panel from the 60s, breaker panel from the 60s, when breakers were just coming out really. And the company that makes them is actually a local company, but they've been out of business since the, I'd say the 80s or early 90s. So now I got two panels there that have more than half the breakers are bad. So I either got to change those breakers out, I got to find them, probably used on eBay and hope like hell they work, or I got to change those panels out. And by myself, I'm not sure how to get out of here. Shoot, I forget how I got here. I think this way. Doing it myself, changing those two panels out could be a week-long process, and I've shut a lot of his lights and equipment off. So I'm hopefully going to find the breakers. Anyway, I got enough time now to go back and start cleaning those weeds up. There's my brother's shop. You guys see me in before doing some work. Everybody decided to slam their brakes on at 45 mile an hour in front of me, and my toolbox came down. The thing's been attached here since I bought this, and it's now, I can hear the sockets falling out of it. See it laying on the side. That's about a 36-inch high toolbox. I'm not sure what broke back there to make it fall. There's another job for today. Well, the toolbox is fixed. I knew all along I was going to do that eventually because I had a bungee strapped in there with a rubber bungee, and it kept banging, so I knew it was moving. Now I have a ratchet strapped with an actual ratchet strap, and it's not moving. Sorry I knocked the camera over. I'm not going to bore you with this. You can see there's a big project there. And it's not necessarily something I need to do. The new owner can do it. I need all this cleared to get the RV out on both sides to make the turns in that. That kicked my butt a little bit, so I got to sit down for a while. I'm not used to it.
Oh my
good locations. So this is what I'm going to give for a gift.
Oh, we're getting a sneak peek at this. Would you look at that? Let me help you here. Let me help you. You hold the picture up. Oh, look at this. Oh, the pier. Would you look at that pier? Full size rainbow. Look at this. Look at that rainbow. Look at that rainbow.
That's in between.
Oh, look at that rainbow.
Oh,
Would you look at that pier?
Look
Tell him to
at
look
the
at it.
pier.
Tell him to look at it.
Look at the pier.
Look at the pier.
Well, kind of shocking, but Amazon actually delivered this here at 4:30 today. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in now. First things first, I turned the power off. Definitely does not look like an exact replacement at all. Well, as long as these holes line up, it should be fine. And they will line up. So this is our constant coming from the breaker. This goes to the motor. Right here. One of these is thermostat and one's ground. They're called the yellow ground. Actually, I'll test it now. Oh, this is open. Let me know if it turns on. It didn't come on. Crap. Might be too hot in there already. Unless I have the thermostat and ground reversed. I really don't think so. Well, it's over 80 degrees in there and, at the thermostat, so that might be why it's not kicking on. I'll test it later on when the temperature drops. Okay, the temperature's dropped into the low 60s. It's still not kicking on. It works if I jumper it. Is there a chance this brand new relay is bad? Or is it the thermostat? Or I think it's got to be with the thermostat. Oops. I broke it. That's good. Yay! I broke it. So now I'm going to check here at the thermostat again. That's on. That's off. Either I got a bad relay or there's a break somewhere from that thermostat wire up to the thermostat. I tried to bypass the thermostat, still won't kick on. If I bypass the relay, it kicks on. I'm going to have to try and trace wires, and I have no clue where they're at. See, the thermostat wires up here are, 18 gauge wire. But the thermostat wires down in the furnace are 12 or 14 gauge wire. So somewhere between that 8 feet underneath or behind a wall or somewhere is where the wires change over. So I may end up having to pull this furnace out to find it. I'm going to try and watch some more videos first. I guess that's all I got for tonight. Peace.